Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today we will be unboxing this desk mat from Orbitkey. Okay, so for today's video guys, we will be unboxing this desk mat from Orbitkey. So they were kind enough to reach out to me and send me this desk mat for us to review here on our channel. So thank you again Orbitkey for sending this one. And if you know me, even though that this product is sent to me by the company, so rest assured that I will be honest with my impression of this desk mat. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. So now that we are done with the unboxing, I'll just discuss the features of this desk mat. So for me, this desk mat is really next level compared to other desk mat out there. So I'll be discussing the features and ano bang meron sa kanila kung bakit sila yung stand out in terms of the desk mat and comparing to other competitors. First, it is using a vegan leather. Upon touching the surface of the leather, you really feel it's really smooth and premium feeling. So they use vegan leather. Also, the desk mat is very durable and water resistant. Actually, for cleaning, you just have to get a damp cloth or wet wipes. Just clean the surface to remove some oily stuff or grease from your food. If you do that, ganun din kasing ginagawa ko. Minsan kumakain ako sa desk ko and minsan natatapunan siya. So this is very easy to clean because it is water resistant. And one of the features that I really like is this magnetic cable holder. The magnetic cable holder, it's zinc alloy and with a matte texture finish. So dun pa lang sa name, alam mo na kung para saan siya. So this one is magnetic. So merong parts si desk mat na anywhere you can put this one kasi may magnet siya. So any cable na gagamitin like keyboard or mouse, you can use this one to tidy out your desk. So para hindi watak-watak yung cables and all. So this one is very innovative and very unique. And at the same time, ang ganda ng quality oh. So next, this one, if you are the kind of person na nagtatabi ka ng mga papers or notes from your desk, if you have any to-do list. So this one has a document hideaway. Tago mo siya sa ilalim na in a way, neatly organized siya. And hindi siya nakakalat sa desk mo, any part of your desk. So maganda siya. Ang galing din nung naisip ni Orbitkey for the document hideaway. And then there's also the quick access toolbar. So doon natin nilalagay yung magnetic cable holder. So pwede mo rin siyang paglagyan ng kahit ano. Ako doon ko nilalagay yung Apple Pencil, yung iba kong ball pen, and some other stuff na you think you need easy access. And then lastly, it has a very smooth surface for writing. Yun din yung napansin ko once I touched the surface. So sobrang smooth niya and wala siyang magaspang na part. So you can use this as your writing surface. And then doon sa ilalim ng document hideaway meron pa siyang isa pang material, part of your desk mat. So it says there that it's 100% recyclable PET felt. So it protects your desk and dampening the typing noise. So made from post-consumer recycled content. So this one is obviously in black and they have another color which is the stone. So maganda rin yung stone. So I'll check it out if I can get the Orbitkey Desk Mat stone color. And for sure, I will be unboxing that here on our channel. So apart from the colors, you can also choose the size of the desk mat depending on your preference. So it comes with medium and large desk mat. So what I have here is the large desk mat. Okay, so thank you again Orbitkey for sending this desk mat for us to unbox here on our channel. So I've also posted photos of this desk mat on my IG, so please follow my IG account. And if you don't know Orbitkey and their products, I'll provide a link down below so you can check them out. And also you can use the referral link down below if you're gonna buy this product. So that referral link will help this channel, so for us to make more contents like this. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.